Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. I know the lighting kind of look away right now. I'm so sorry for that. Never walk with my camera because I never did a plan for posting a video or anything like that, but I did have to take up my camera and come record. Because tell me why see one bunch of ripe apple me come and me I say nobody knows that bunch of ripe apple here, because me know everybody love apple. So I say now I'm gonna just pick them so we can just share them up. Anytime I have to do nothing outside, like once it comes on to outside task and stuff like that, me always look and spend a long time because I'm afraid of lizard. One man just put on the phone and looking at the tree. When me look, I want frog stuck on the apple. Not on the limb or nothing, just stuck on the apple. So I want to know if one of them frog there, what them did I say, if you see it, you must, I don't know how true this is, but you must bag it up and put it in the freezer and stuff like that because it poisonous. Mega show no, but mega zoom in. I don't know if one of them frog there, I mean it not have any color. It look, and the funniest thing, if it was on a limb, me wouldn't see it because of the color. That's why we must learn to wash the food and observe it before we eat it, or just anything at all. Just be so observant, because one man just say put on your phone and just look. Suppose one lizard jump on you, really and truly a lizard me did a worry about. You see, lizard not pay me no mind, and me a worry about lizard. Look on the frog. You not see it? And the frog that in and it a climb up in the rat. I don't know who I gotta catch one frog and put it in a them freezer, but I know me, I don't think I can manage that one day. So comment and let me know if I do frog that. But that's that, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for the love that I've been getting on my previous video. I really and truly appreciate it. I just go through the comments and just thank you so much, and you know, the DM, and just thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna help my little sister them with them. You get homework? Yes. So I'm gonna help her with her homework, and I'm gonna see if I can comb. I don't want to promise them, you know, because them love when I comb them ear, and I can give them the fat fluffy twist and stuff like that. But you know, I'm gonna see if I can comb two of them ear and help with them homework and stuff like that. So that's basically what I do right now. And yes, I lock up the house and make them go around the back, and them want to go swing, but sorry, I can't make them go around the back until something do with about the frog there, whether it's the good frog or the bad frog. So everybody in the house right now, so we're gonna just get to work. Hey guys, good morning. So today with a continuation of the vlog when we did start yesterday. When I know I'm up to no good. When I say I'm coming here with beer stuff, yes, it's a chicken tender, napkin. I don't know if I have this. Normally when I see stuff, I get excited and I call Jason and show Jason or send Jason a picture. But I came up with this brilliant idea yesterday. I'm saying, you know what? I'm not going to show Jason, I'm not going to say nothing to him. Because I'm going to prank him. I'm going to make it look like, say, I carry one the frog in a scandal bag and put it in the freezer. The closest thing I could have used is a chicken tender, because it have the size of the frog, because the frog never big. And this tough, but in a really tough. I just want to see how I feel about the frog being in the freezer. You see the texture, so of course it doesn't feel like a frog. It did a melt a little bit because I have it here, so I make the intro, but that's okay. There's nothing wrong if it melt a little too, I remember frog kind of squishy. Alright, so guys, we're gonna get into the video now. Oh, I want a little piece of sweet potato left. You want porridge?
Oh,
Porridge. Beer.
Alright.
remember nothing.
Oh, we have buying over fries?
Oh my God, me never remember nothing.
Ma'am, we have oil for fried fries?
No. Babe, can't talk about oil for fried fries. This more serious than oil for fried fries.
What is all that down beside the face here?
Babe, but me never remember, so me have something in the freezer.
What? Eh?
Babe, me a try focus.
Why in that freezer? That me answer?
Babe.
Why in that freezer?
Bro, me never remember, so me have something in the freezer.
What?
Me never did tell you.
Babe, a food in that freezer, so me not say
But when me don't have moment, me never call you and show you something.
What?
Me never video call you and show you a frog.
No.
Babe, before me even get into it, look
So,
here.
why want frog in
Babe.
that fridge?
Babe, look here. Watch out. Penny apple.
Oh, we sit, man.
Me never realized that me not even call you and share. Show me.
What you do with the frog in that damn fridge?
Babe, see it right there in my bag, me separate it. What them say?
You know, answer my question, me ask you, so why one frog would I do in
Because they never did hear what them say on news.
No, we watch news. We watch news.
Pan Star, Instagram.
Bro, me not read no news for nothing, bro, you know.
See if I can get the number for call. It's serious. It's more serious than we are. Baby, serious.
For call for what?
They are poisonous.
So what you doing in our fridge side of our
Because
food?
how you get rid of them, you have to put them in the freezer.
Why you put in a food fridge for? If you don't have your mother, you can't put a food fridge for. Before you know it, damn frog.
Yeah, but me finding some to get a reward.
Money don't fit.
No.
So what
But at least me do
what
something.
kind of reward that? What kind of
Me do
reward?
something
What kind of
good.
reward that?
Me do something
Wait,
good.
hold on. What kind of reward that? You say you get money, you say you get reward. What kind of reward that? So you put on frog in your fridge for free?
Babe, look what they say. Read this. No, just read this. Read it. Read it. And look. You see which part it said?
Box.
TVJ. Read it.
Experts warn the Cuban tree frog is having a detrimental effect on Jamaica's environment. So if you see one, kill it. Kill it! Kill it!
To do so. Read.
Capture the frog in a scanner and put it in a freezer. So why you not put it in a food fridge? It still no matter.
Babe,
What you want?
if
You want to
someone
carry
can
an
put
hour?
something in somebody else's
You
fridge.
carry the frog
I
from
mean, catch it, someone make a put in
you
somebody's
carry
fridge.
one so the backside and left where you see it.
Babe.
You carry one frog when your
Babe.
mother come up and so.
Babe, it's time when we take the air, so me not even want.
Bro, you know, so you come like some
You see,
idiot.
time
You
out.
say this.
It's
You
time.
ever do some weird thing? You ever do some weird dates?
It's time when you take the rest and argue.
Who, so now, who over take you? Me?
Babe, go to give me see one box. Or get a number because me think when you put it in a freezer, you have to call the people them for them come feed. Because what if me go dispose and he come back alive? Can me catch him alive?
Can you do fast?
Me catch him alive and put him in a
Stop talking to me, me not help you with this, no, me not busy about this, you know. Me not busy, me not give one fly about this, you know. What the backside you fast with the frog for? Yeah, you work with...
Jason, you're dangerous.
So you work with Ministry of Health, you work with National Security, are you a member of the JDF?
Jason, just one person can change your name.
You know what, you're afraid that is that when you take a frog, oh, where can you be?
Just one person can change your name.
That is you, so you call me for.
I think you would have helped me.
You know what? So hold on, you can't problem. Backside, you can't frag the frog in our car. And you can't problem come up here and if you go in here, I do all the while.
Yes, it? No,
I don't see nothing.
afraid.
I don't see nothing.
Baby, if you're from
Don't
the
come
car,
here, are you stupid? Why we have a frog in the tree and car up here? You say, Pastor, say you keep bringing your car, so we need buck up in the frog. You fool! Are you an idiot? What? How much fridge you pass down so you can't come up here, so?
Why am I going to put in somebody else's fridge?
Why you not take up in then?
Because it when you do stuff it. That's if you get rid of it.
God, no. We don't want you dead, but we wish you that day something. Come here, son.
That's so mean. That is so mean.
You must see one frog on road here, take up put it out with fridge to outside. Oh, yeah.
Just
Man, you know why you're not, man. Can't convince you now. No, sir.
just 1 minute, please.
You're not bird, not
Babe, just come here 1 minute now.
What?
Babe, please no.
I cannot You say, yeah.
Babe, analyze me, he was sure for the 1 year, you know, but me does not take enough.
So you take, alright, you take your time with the backside of the car.
Wait, no, babe, me not take.
Wait on what?
Babe, me not take no check with no frog. So even if this and I one with them I talk about, me still capture it. But me need a help to get to it. But I'm everything never dissect it. Babe, me do science in school, me promise you, me not joke. Babe, it's just 1, 2, just like when you dissect one potato.
That's the one I said, I'm going to take it serious. You need help here?
Babe.
You need help. You must see a damn food. You must see a...
Me not dissect it. Oh, so, what's your cheek?
I can't make it damn flag after. Yo, look over here. Let me alone.
Because they make me get mad. Babe, what me do?
I was saying something about 5 minutes.
Babe, oh, that's one baby from.
You know, say rum too much. You're still weird though, man. Tell her that.
I'm weird, babe. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye.